In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use AliExpress's image search feature, a handy tool that can revolutionize how you find products online. Whether you're tracking down a specific item from just a photo or exploring alternatives that suit your style, this guide has got you covered. First off, open your preferred web browser and type in AliExpress to navigate directly to aliexpress.com. The homepage of AliExpress is laden with an array of categories and promotions, making it a bustling online marketplace. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to the site. It's always helpful to know your way around a bit. Next, direct your attention to the top right of the web page, where you'll notice a small magnifying glass icon. This is the search icon, and it's your doorway to a vast range of products waiting to be discovered. Go ahead and click on it. This is a great tool not just for text searches, but also to find visually similar items using an image. Now, here's where the magic happens. After clicking the search icon, you will notice a selection option for search by image. This is a powerful feature, especially useful if you have a photo of an item you like, but no keywords to describe it. Clicking search by image will direct you to upload an image file. It's a clever way to let technology do the hard work of searching for you, digging through countless options to find what matches your uploaded image. The next step involves uploading the photo. The image should ideally be clear and in a common format like JPG or PNG. Look for the button that allows you to browse your files. Once you've located your desired photo that closely resembles the product you're interested in, click to open it. The website will then process your image, searching its extensive database for items that match or closely resemble your upload. Remember, the better the quality of your photo, the more accurate your search results will be. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you've unlocked a sophisticated way of online shopping that saves time and broadens your product selection based on visual similarity rather than text alone. This feature is perfect for when you've spotted the perfect item in a picture and want a similar look, or if you just love discovering new things in a quick and easy manner. We hope this little tutorial equips you with confidence and excitement as you explore AliExpress's vast offerings with this innovative tool. Happy shopping and enjoy the surprises and deals you might uncover with just a click. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your online shopping experience.